evening, guys and dolls. Divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you my thoughts on my Honeychild Aloe Vera leave-in treatment. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts about this here leave-in treatment, please keep watching. I want to take a moment to ask you to please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Now back to the video. Okay. Either it's crazy sunshine or not enough light. The woes of someone who uses natural light to film in. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you about this aloe vera leave-in treatment by my Honeychild. I have not seen a lot of, I haven't seen any videos on this particular line or this particular product. I bought it in Black Friday, and I'll throw up my Black Friday haul somewhere around here. I bought it on Black Friday because I needed to get to the free shipping, and I said, okay, this will get me there. And so, and it was a leave-in, so I thought to myself, oh, well, this will be a great, a great pairing. My hair loves aloe vera, and so it says it's a cuticle smoother. And so the ingredients are purified water, aloe vera gel, corn oil, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, chamomile oil, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and fragrance, caprol glycol, which is optofen, which is a preservative, and then phenoxyethanol. And it says to apply to damp hair and style as directed. Do not rinse. It says blow dry, which I don't do, for conditioned body, or let hair air dry for a natural look and feel. Store in a cool, dry place. So what it's telling me is that you sure want to be on your best behavior on your date. Only your hair disagrees with you and decides to behave otherwise. Sounds familiar? The aloe vera leave-in treatment helps in nourishing your hair from the roots so that it has a nourished, healthy stature. All you need to do is comb it through and leave it on the hair. Hair that has lost its moisture can find solace in the natural oils present in the formula, while the aloe vera gel improves hair untangling and reduces frizz to have your hair flow out in luxurious long locks. Okay. This was the weirdest feeling treatment that I have used. I have used this three times. So I've gotten down to here. And when I put it on my hair, it went that sound. That's what it sounded like in my head, I will say. And I don't know if it was sealing the cuticles or what it was doing. Obviously, I had water in my hair. I am low porosity. I don't have the need to have something close my cuticles because they want to stay closed anyway. So I don't know, again, another case of not reading the ingredients and not reading the claims of what this particular thing was supposed to do. Did it moisturize my hair? No, because I could feel my cuticles slamming shut. So I guess if you had high porosity hair, you would really like this. This would be something that would work well for you. If you were like me with low porosity hair, although my hair loves aloe vera gel, I bought two of these. So I'm going to use them because I bought them. And one of the things I promised myself in 2019 during my low buy is that I'm going to read ingredients and read the claims of what it's presenting itself to do. So would I repurchase this? No. but I'm going to use what I have. If you have high porosity hair, you may find that you like this a lot. My hair, I wouldn't say that my hair is dry. It didn't make my hair dry, and it could be the other things that I was using why my hair is not dry. Is it dry a couple of days later? Not any more dry than it normally is, so it didn't make things worse, but it really didn't aid in anything, and I found that I was putting more moisture things on my hair to try to make sure that it stayed moisturized. So this My Honeychild Aloe Vera leave-in treatment, the cuticle smoother, I believe it probably does smooth the cuticles, but as a 4B low porosity gal, this is not something that I would repurchase for myself. So let's see, if you made it to the end of this video, I know you like my content. So please click the subscribe button below and the bell to let you know when I upload a video. Man, my mouth's not working today. So let's see, the word of the day is smooth, because it smoothed my cuticles. I would say the word of the day today is smooth. So comment below. We are almost to the goal of 1,000 subscribers. So share this video with your family and friends, and let's get there together. I will see you in my next video.